Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Stronghold SHX, the major doubt. It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So, if you're interested in any of that stuff, make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And folks, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon if you want the channel to roll for years. Do check that out as well if you're interested. Anyways, guys, let us begin first and foremost with the price of Stronghold at the time of the recording. So let us check this out. So check this out, man. Stronghold SHX is up 21.93% for the day. Awesome, guys. Awesome. This is great. In terms of price action, it has gone up from $0.00593 all the way to 0.0075 almost. So that is awesome. Great gains on the 7-day chart as well. It has gone up 101.02% from 0.003594 to 0.007226. That is awesome, guys. Great gains. These are some of the gains that stock market gets in years, and I think a lifetime. And we are getting it in 7 days in crypto. So this is mind blowing. This is the 1 month chart, 65.75%. But if you look at it from the lower end, it went all the way to 0.0034. Okay, so cool. Guys, SHX is on the verge of basically testing out this resistance over here, 0.009693, 0.009. If it breaks that, we are looking at a dollar, 1 cent, 0.01 cent, guys. So basically, Stronghold is on its way to going on and testing the 0.01 levels, and some are saying that it might go on and even test the 0.02 levels over here, 0.015. So let's see what happens, because the momentum is building. As the momentum builds, guys, as the momentum builds, there are some skeptics out there, and rightfully so. Some of the skeptics that are well renowned and highly respected, in my opinion. So check this out. This is one of them who has his concerns or major doubt, as he has propounded and stated. Check this out, guys. This is Nick, Crypto Crusader. He's got one of the best channels. I mean, one of the biggest channels on YouTube. So I highly respect him, his work. So I'm happy for everyone winning with SHX. I have avoided it due to the tokenomics and will continue to fade. Many have asked me to talk about it, but I have major doubts. That's all. I am fine with missing this one. Wish everyone the best. So, Nick explicitly has stated that he has major doubts with SHX, and he hasn't elaborated it any further. He has said that's all, but he's mostly concerned with the tokenomics. So, guys, so what are the tokenomics? Let us check that out. I think what he's concerned with is this 5.79% circulating supply. Out of 100 billion max supply, only 5.79% is in circulation. The fully diluted market cap at this moment is $687 million, so almost a billion. So this might be one of the reasons he has basically avoided it. And the concerns, as far as the concerns go, the major doubts go. Check this out. SHX went from 0.0005619 back in 2021 as well. When it went up to 0.02, 0.023 almost, it came back down like in a flash, like it happened 2 times, this pump over here in this chart. So this is a doubt for people as well, which I've talked with. I mean, they're saying that the supply increased at this point. Who knows? But this is their claim, that when it pumped, it got dumped, as well as more supply was increase. So this is a tokenomics issue that I think Nick is talking about. Let us look at more posts on SHX. So this is, yeah, this Phoenix Rising. Like I said before, okay, so let me open this. Like I said before, I looking at the surface level and seeing the 5 billion in circulation is keeping many people out of SHX. I'm not worried about it whatsoever. I know what I hold, over 14 billion in circulation, and a burn mechanism will be implemented soon. Merchant finance program is going to be awesome. So those who that are bullish are certainly bullish on SHX, as an uphold listing is being basically hinted by the community members on February 14th by Lift Capital, SHX Banker, and others. So let me check out more posts on SHX as well. There was another cool post. If I can find that, let me just search it. So it is taking a bit time. So basically, that post stated that SHX is going to be a top 20 holding at one point of time. So let us directly go on until it loads. Let us go on and search SHX over here, and where the market cap would be if it reaches top 20 or top 10. Let us check this out. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we've got Litecoin in our top 20. So people are saying that SHX is going to be reaching top 20 much sooner than expected. Let us look at the market cap if it reaches it. With the current circulation, I'll rephrase it with current circulation. So the current circulation market cap is 36.96 million, and the Litecoin's market cap is 5.22 billion. So if Stronghold reaches the market cap of Litecoin at in its all in the bear market, the current times, the price is going to be $0.97. So uh, is it on the is it would it reach a dollar, or are the major doubts a concern? So yeah, check this out. Stronghold Litecoin. If it reaches the all-time high of Litecoin, guys, the price is going to be $4.78, which is a 694.79x from this point. So yeah, let us look at the community members as well. I do not know what's wrong with X today. I mean, it is doing this since morning, giving us some issues. But if we search it out, let us search for XRP. I mean, people compare XRP and Stellar with SHX. If it reaches the market cap of, let's say, SHX or sorry, XLM. Let us look at the market cap of XLM. If it reaches that, what the market cap is going to be? Yeah, here it is. Sorry. So it is built on Stellar. So let us look at it. The market cap. Compare again. Okay. So if it reaches Stellar's market cap, the current market cap price of Stronghold is going to be $0.59, 85.55x. The all-time $2.92, yet again exceeding from a dollar, going much further than a dollar. I mean, let us look at XRP's market cap. XRP has also a billion coins, mind you. So it reached dollar 3.5 plus 3.64, I think. So if it reaches the current market cap of XRP, the price is going to be dollar 5.29. But if it reaches the all-time high market cap, guys, the price is going to be dollar 24.53. Almost a 3,562.28x, guys. So, on one hand, we've got major doubt from Nick, as he said that he's got some major doubts about SHX regarding tokenomics. On the other hand, we're seeing people bullish and saying that it is going to be a top 20 coin. It is going to be basically exceeding the dollar. So, what do you guys think? Would SHX does SHX have major red flags? I mean, the major doubts are rational, logical, and the concerns that the price, whenever it goes up, it gets dumped like it is basically if like the circulating supply is increasing at a tremendous pace. People have said this, pointed this out. Or do you guys think that this concern is not legit? Because I was reading a post that they have released 50 million as this pump was going on, but this is natural as they will continue to increase the supply slowly and gradually to not have any impact on the chart. So, what do you guys think? And we need to avoid comments like these. SHX is on the verge of burning 70% of its supply. That will leave roughly 29 billion tokens in total supply. I watched their governance vote results. I mean, that governance vote result didn't mean that they will be burning 70% of its supply, total supply, or max supply. It only meant that they will be basically burning the originator fees. I mean, the capital contributors, they get a fees for contributing in their merchant cash advance program. So only that fee is going to be burned 70%, not the entire supply. So let me clarify this as well. So guys, do hit the comment box below. We've got two sides, two blocks. Some are saying major doubts, the others are saying $1, 10 cents. Where do you stand, guys? Where do you stand? And what do you guys think about SHX? Does it have major doubts, or is it on its way to becoming a legit powerhouse in crypto? Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And do hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. So you can also support the channel, by the way, by becoming a Patreon. Like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.